Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be tinkering a little bit with the Hornet. Now I just got it off the trailer. It's like 10:30 in the morning and it is hot. And yes, it still looks just as ridiculous on the ground as it did on the trailer. Now this is going to be kind of a short little video. I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash it, get all that mold and mildew off, and probably pressure wash the inside if my pressure washer will work for me. It's giving me fits the other day. But this is going to be a small video, mainly because I've had a lot of people comment on the first video with this wagon that not to LS swap it, drop a big block 327, go with the factory engine, put an inline 6, put a 4.0 inline 6 out of a Jeep. They usually just bolt right on in. Unfortunately, I only have two options. So this is a very, very budget build. And unfortunately, I only have two engines. So I'm going to show them to you. And I mean, you can drop a comment down in there, but I'm still on the fence of which one to put on or in. And yeah, I kind of want to go old school, but I mean, I wouldn't mind going new school. A lot of people will probably leave if I say I'm going to put an LS in it. Some people get mad if I don't put in a factory engine, but this car is not a mint car or rare by any means. I found another one just like it, and I'm debating on buying it because it has, for one, a title. Two, it is complete. This thing has everything except for the distributor. Now, it is an inline 6. It's a 258. Sorry, I'm a little thirsty. I need to get some water. But all it's missing is the distributor. It's on all the original hubcap steel wheels. And, I mean, it's not bad. But do I need another wagon? Yeah, of course. But it is a lot better priced. But this one doesn't have a title. I can get one for it, but the floors are gone. I don't know how the floors are on the other one. But, I mean, I just wanted to make this a fun little beater to sit there and just, you know, put a V8 in it, do some massive burnouts, hopefully go on a small road trip with it. If not, well, I guess I'll put it up for sale and somebody can use it for parts later on. But I still got to find, you know, mirror, there it is, door handles, wherever they're at, pointing on just the driver's side. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start washing this thing. Well, there we have it. All nice and clean. Still looks like a turd, but now it's a clean turd. Not too shabby. I gotta get that dent fixed. But yeah, I love these little wagons. This thing's gonna be a blast. Now, of course, the front end's gonna get lowered down some whenever we drop, you know, whatever engine we put in it. And may do a little bit of a, you know, lowering in the front give it the raked look, you know, the old school hot rod stuff. But yeah, not too shabby. Interior looks a lot cleaner. Still has the weight reduction. The rear, oh yeah, way better. Even smells better. First off, please don't mind my mess. I'm going to start cleaning eventually. But anyhow, there are 6 engines here, except that one there will not be an option. But I finally met up with my buddy. We got the 302 that I was trying to get, like I said in the last video. This one's supposed to be good. It's supposed to have a good transmission, AOD. So this 302 actually runs beautifully. It's got a little Ford 2-barrel underneath with the points distributor, which I put all that in there. This one was actually throttle bodied. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off the distributor and the fuel injection, swap things over because I really want to use this engine. This one runs good, but it's tired and the transmission is no good. Now this 302 I know ran actually pretty good. It was in a derby car of my buddy's, and I actually rode in the derby car with him, and that was an absolute blast, by the way. But this engine has overheated I don't know how many times. I think it's been in, what do you say, Dakota, 5 or 6 derbies? You have to let me know. This is the other option, which I know a lot of people say it's boring, boo, but man, these LSs are just absolutely reliable, and they're cheap. So this one's an LM7. I think it's a 2000 or 2001. It has fairly okay-ish miles. It's got 160. This LM7's for a different project. It's got goodies. And it's got headers and nice cam. It's been freshened up really nice. Now this LM7, I think, is out of a 99 or 2000, and I don't know anything about it. Was told it ran good. Haven't heard it, but there is an 4L60 down below, so there's options here. Like I said earlier, this is a budget build, so I'm trying to use what I've got. I mean, the poor car doesn't even have brakes, so I'm more worried about trying to put an engine transient than making it stop. You know, brakes are for quitters. So that's my 2 options. Well, there you have it. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you don't mind, let me know which engine you think I should run in this. I mean, I only have 2 options because this is a budget-friendly build. It is a rust bucket. Unfortunately, there's no brakes. I gotta go through and buy all that fun jazz. So my budget is about nothing. So trying to do the best with what I have. And unfortunately, very little for this car other than engine, trans, and I gotta have a drive shaft made. But I mean, we can make it go, but the whoa part we're gonna have to work on later. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Just leave a comment down below. And again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.